To make this amazingly tasty and easy onion pie, well, you need about 5 onions cut in pieces, quite small pieces. Then you add it to a frying pan, or in my case it's multi-cook, and you add salt, curcuma and muscat nut. You mix it all together, you add some oil. I used olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. You fry it until yellow, not too much, until yellow or slightly golden. Then you add 400 grams of flour, add salt to that, and some soda as well. Butter to your taste, about 100 grams, and 1 yogurt, Greek yogurt. Then you mix it all together with a spoon or with your hands, and you get something like that. It depends on the texture of your choice. Then you prepare the baking tray and preheat the oven. And then 3 eggs and 4 yogurts, mix it all together, add spices to your choice, mix it well, and add to the onion. Mix it all together and add to the shape. This shape, the dough, could have been baked before or not. And bake about half an hour. It's about 200 Celsius degrees. And enjoy. Hope it's tasty for you. Subscribe not to miss other recipes.